Hello from Collision 2023. Paul Davenport here from the Boast team. I got Asad here with me as well. How's it going, buddy?
Amazing so far. Honestly, it's better than I expected. I've been coming here 3 years straight, and every year I'm surprised. This year's theme, AI. No Web3, but a lot of AI.
So much AI. Yeah, I know AWS was the keynote to open up the show. Main topic was AI. It was funny. I was actually telling Asad about, you got called out for the name of the new AI program, Titan. Ties into a certain underwater submersible that's making news these days. But yeah, I think Saplinski handled that one pretty well. But yeah, lots of AI on the floor. So what would you say is your highlight so far? I know it's only about lunchtime here.
You know what? Interestingly, a lot of startups, and what's shocking me is not many companies are doing their shred, which is interesting. So, I mean, great for us.
Oh yeah.
But it's cool. Really talking to companies, really seeing like, hey, how can you keep money on the table? How can you keep your equity? Finding more non-dilutive funding opportunities, how it's impacting you. I mean, they're liking the conversation. Obviously, everyone's trying to sell. But that's an interesting fact I've learned. Like, not many people, not many companies are aware of their shred.
Yeah.
Or they're like, oh, we are actually looking for a new provider. So.
That's been the big surprise to me. First, like you said, the companies just that aren't doing it at all. We were talking with our coworker, Eve, actually. She'll give some more detail on the story, but there's a company that has 8 developers, and they never even looked into shred before.
Wow.
Like, that is a team that can be almost fully expensed. So they should really be taking advantage of it.
Yeah,
so,
I believe Eve mentioned about $1 million just left on the table that could have been claimed. Wow.
Nice. So I think that covers my next question a little bit. Biggest surprise. What's your biggest lesson from today?
Biggest lesson, I think I should have prepared more in advance on what companies I wanted to see.
Yeah.
But you know what? That's an easy. We have 2 more days to go, and I'm trying to make the most out of it, talk to as many people as possible, and it's a good way to connect and really see what's new in the startup ecosystem.
Oh yeah, no, it's been a blast so far. I echo that. I made a huge list of like events I wanted to attend and speakers I wanted to see. Didn't really think about the companies in particular, but I was happy to see a lot of companies that work with accelerator programs that we are partners with are here on the floor. So looking to get some more conversations in with those folks as we man out on the floor. And yeah, it's going to be good.
It's going to be good.
Sweet. Okay, we'll leave it at that. Asad, thank you. It's been a great day one, and looking forward to more.
Thanks, Paul.
Signing off. Bye.